Hello photographers, Tom here from Cameras Direct with another product review. Once again, doing the product review here in the warehouse of Cameras Direct on the Gold Coast, where all our orders come in for everybody who orders around Australia and go out everywhere. So today we're going to have a quick look at the Nikon 18-300 AFS DX f3.5 to 6.3 VR lens. So firstly, this is a DX lens. Now that means it is designed for crop censored DSLRs from Nikon. So your D7200s, 5500s, 5300s, 3000 series, that's what this is designed for. It can go on a full frame, but again, more designed for the DX range. Now the 18-300 is a massive range. This is a travel lens. So it basically starts you off at wide angle, 18mm, and then takes you all the way up to 300mm. Now in 35mm speak, that is a 28 to 450, which is astonishing. You'll be able to photograph a lovely sunrise, sunset, panorama, landscape, whatever, or zoom in to a bird in a tree, sport, unbelievable focal range. Now the aperture is the interesting one here. There is a version of this called a 3.5 to 5.6. It is larger, heavier, and a bit more expensive. So Nikon, in their wisdom, thought, these are designed for travel, so let's make it a bit smaller. They did that by making it an f3.5 to 6.3. Now that means the lens is smaller and lighter, more convenient for travel. In fact, it's not much bigger than their 18-200. So what's the disadvantage of that? Look, at the long end of this zoom, it's not going to be quite as fast as its bigger, more expensive brother in the focus department. We're not talking about seconds here though, folks. We're talking about fractions of a second. So for a small trade-off in focus speed, you get the convenience of size. And for a travel photographer, that is everything. So look, it is a VR lens, of course, so the lens gives you an optical stabilizer built in to help steady those shots, which is particularly handy when using the long end of the zoom. It is also enabled with a lock, which you can lock this so that the lens does not fall out as you're walking along. That's a great feature as well. As far as the filter size goes, it's a 67mm, and we do encourage you to purchase a UV or protector filter to protect that very big bit of glass. So for all you travel photographers out there, or even just for the photographer who doesn't want to change lenses and just wants one to do it all, this is definitely the lens for you.